Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from DLCoinBot in 2025. If you're into crypto and using DLCoinBot for your trading needs, knowing how to safely withdraw your USDT is essential. This guide is up to date for 2025, so let's make sure you're all set to handle this smoothly. First things first, before we jump in, ensure you have a verified DLCoinBot account and some USDT balance ready to withdraw. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on your account. Alright, let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log in to your DLCoinBot account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Wallet or Assets section. That's where you'll find your USDT holdings. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal page. You might need to click on Withdraw or Transfer Out. It's usually right there on the menu for easy access. Step 3. Select USDT as your withdrawal currency. DLCoinBot supports various networks like TRC20 or ERC20, so choose the one that matches your wallet for faster and cheaper transactions. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits, so check that first to avoid any issues. Then, input your external wallet address where you want the USDT to go. Make sure it's correct to prevent losing your funds. Step 5. Review the details carefully. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including fees and estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You may need to verify this through an email or your 2FA app for added security. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. A few quick tips. Always use a secure internet connection, never share your withdrawal codes, and keep an eye on transaction fees to maximize your returns. If you run into any errors, check DLCoinBot's help center or contact support. That's it for this guide. You've now got the skills to withdraw USDT from DLCoinBot in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.